So you're a guy and you're ready to graduate from the old Levi's you've been wearing for the last 30 years and maybe step into denim that's made in America, is thoughtfully designed and produced, and looks even better the longer you wear it. Well, today I have 4 offerings that will make you want to ditch your old mall jeans and get into something that will be your lower half's best friend for many years to come. Welcome to Stray Reviews. I'm Lee and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. And today I'm comparing 4 incredible pairs of jeans ranging from affordable raw selvage to premium California farmed, milled, and sewn blue jeans. All of the jeans I'll be talking about today have their own unique spin on denim, and they all take a more heritage, artisanal approach to their manufacturing. If you want to take a closer look of any of these jeans today, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Also, I send out a newsletter once a month sharing my favorite things like favorite boots and jeans. If you want to subscribe for free, I'll leave a link for that down below too. Okay, starting off with the least expensive of the jeans today, we're looking at the 100% cotton Bayou Blue Vidalia Mills raw selvage denim from Bravestar. For the denim heads out there, this denim is made on the Draper X3 looms that used to be a part of Cone Mills. I picked mine up in a 33 slim and had them hemmed by my local tailor, but I actually do wish that I would have had them hemmed just a little bit longer than I did. All of their jeans come with a 36-inch inseam, and Bravestar offers their own hemming service for only $15, which is a great deal. As with all of the jeans today, it is really important to read the sizing chart and not just assume that you can just take your usual size. And this is especially true if you've just been wearing like department store jeans forever, like I have up until probably the last year, since department store jeans actually use vanity sizing, meaning that you're gonna take a smaller size than you actually are. These jeans come in a gorgeous deep blue and have the traditional red line selvage ID. The ID is displayed both on the hem and on the 5th pocket. Like I said, these are 14-ounce indigo 100% cotton made from US farmed cotton, and they do have the Bravestar insignia sewn on the back pocket. These are also sanforized, so they shouldn't shrink much in the wash. However, they do recommend keeping these out of the dryer when you wash them. The Bayou Blues have a button fly, riveted pockets, and really the heaviest leather patch of all the jeans today. It's a slab of veg tan leather. If you're used to having some stretch to your jeans, then these can actually feel a little bit like a torture device at first. They are raw, meaning that they haven't been treated in any way to soften them up. The denim is actually taken straight off the loom and sent to production. It took a few wears to get these feeling more comfortable, and now they're actually taking on an almost custom fit. Bravestar's model is to take pre-orders before going into production, but they do have some items that are usually in stock, like their belts and their shirts. And actually, when I bought these were on the website for regular order, not pre-order. These jeans are great for anyone wanting to get into raw selvage denim, but they don't want to make a really big investment to try them out. Now that I've had mine for a while, I do appreciate the comfort, and the 100% cotton is particularly nice, especially during warmer days. Okay, next up is the Gustin number 75 Okayama Standard. These are made from a sanforized raw selvage denim from Japan. These are 100% cotton, a solid, sturdy feeling 14.5 ounces, and a gorgeous deep blue indigo that is really unique, and it's almost kind of like a midnight blue. The selvage ID on these is actually different from the rest in that it is a dashed orange ID, and it really stands out. There are also some other unique appointments that set these apart as well, such as the blue line stitch across the back pockets, and there's a red stitching that reinforces the crotch and the red stitching at the bottom of the hem, which really pops and looks great. Gustin uses standard sizes, like I mentioned before. Some jeans do that, rather than the vanity sizes that you see on other jeans. I am normally a 33 in like mall jeans. I took a 34 in the Gustin and they fit great. And I actually like the fit better on these than the fit that I like on the Bravestar. The 34s come with a 36-inch inseam, but smaller sizes come with a 34-inch inseam. And I will eventually get these hemmed, but I will definitely be leaving them long enough to flash that dashed orange ID. Speaking of salvage ID and unique appointments, Gustin also shows their ID off on the right hip belt loop instead of the usual fifth pocket where a lot of brands do. And it's just one more thing that just makes these different and sets them apart. These are also going to bring on a beautiful fade over time, and Gustin's website even gives you like a sneak peek at a pair after they have been thoroughly worn in. I found these to be a little more comfortable out of the box than the Bravestars were, and I know that they're just going to get better and they're going to get loads of wear from me. Another thing that sets Gustin apart is that most of their products are actually crowdfunded on their website, which means that they come up with a new product, they put it on the website for funding, and once it's funded, they go ahead. This actually helps Gustin to know what their customers want, and it eliminates a whole lot of waste and a whole lot of financial risk as well. And I think it's a pretty brilliant business model. Gustin does have an in-stock store with a handful of evergreen styles that are available for purchase right away. And the Okayama Standard is one of those items that you can just sort of always pick up. These jeans are made right here in America and they sell for $161. I think that the $161 price point for these jeans is actually really good and probably the best bang for your buck out of all the jeans in the roundup today. Whether you're new to salvage denim or you've been wearing it for a while, I think that you're gonna like these. Hey, tap that like button for me if you love getting the best bang for your buck. Next up, we have the Hiroshi Kato Pen Slim. These are a 14-ounce indigo raw selvage denim, and the first jean in the roundup today with some stretch. In fact, it's a 4-way stretch to be exact. And they're also the only ones with a zipper instead of buttons. I'll be honest with you, and don't hate me for saying this, but I've had both buttons and zippers, and I personally prefer zippers. Having the 4-way stretch makes them much easier to move around in when you first get them. And some denim purists would probably reject having stretch. I, however, am not a denim head, but I'm just a guy who appreciates a good pair of jeans. They fit spectacularly on me, really, and I love the way they look. Like the Gustin Okayama standards, this denim is made on vintage shuttle looms in Japan and are sewn together in the United States in Los Angeles. They are 96% cotton and 4% polyurethane, and that 4% is what gives them the stretch. The salvage ID is a solid orange line on the outer hem and on the fifth pocket, and it looks really cool. The pair I have is a 33, the vanity size, and they come with a 34-inch inseam. Kato does offer hemming service for $25. These are made in America and they sell for $228. Now, I have owned lots of stretch denim in the past, shocker, and these have the most substantial, sturdy feel to them. And it really does feel like kind of the best of both worlds. The Katos seem to pull off really a magic trick, being so sturdy feeling, yet offering some stretch, and they feel like a high-end jean should feel. They say that 100% cotton will always outlast jeans with a synthetic material in them, but these feel so substantial and I'm sure they're gonna serve me really well for a long, long time. These are for anyone looking for like a super high quality raw salvage denim blue jean, but isn't particularly interested in the denim head aspects of traditional 100% cotton denim and the break-in that's required to get them to move with you. I'm curious, you tell me, are you a purist who refuses to wear stretch, or do you appreciate some flexibility in a new pair of jeans? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, the last jean in the roundup is really kind of a wild card, and it's from Wies Made. This is the Paul fit in Ocean Wash. These are not raw, they have been washed, and also, believe it or not, they are not salvage. They are, however, the softest and most comfortable out-of-the-box jeans today. These are made with a custom 14-ounce broken twill denim with just a tiny bit, like 1% of stretch. They are the softest jeans, like I said. They are made with a ring-spun cotton, which some of my favorite t-shirts are actually made from a ring-spun cotton. The hardware on these is also the beefiest of all the hardware today. It is a custom brass hardware, and even the pocket bags have kind of a thicker yet softer quality to them, and I know I'll probably never get a hole in them. These are also cut, sewn, and manufactured in Los Angeles. The denim is farmed and milled in the USA as well, and they are our most expensive jeans today at $248. The Paul is a slim-ish fit, and I took mine in a 33, which comes with a 32-inch inseam. And I have to say, I really like the fit and feel of these jeans. They actually feel like I've had them for a while and that I've been wearing them regularly, but somehow they feel new at the same time. And right out of the box, they had that broken in feel while still feeling like a pair of jeans of really great quality. The 1% stretch in these is actually barely noticeable, and they probably lend more to the comfort than the extreme flexibility. I could really see these becoming a near daily driver, or at least every weekend jean for me, and a comforting reprieve when trying to break in other jeans, other raw denim jeans. Every stitch is perfect, the fit and feel are fantastic, and they're only gonna get better with time. The Wies Made is really just made for anyone who loves a high quality, comfortable US made jean and isn't committed to wearing only raw selvage denim. All right, I'm gonna give you the bottom line, but if you're getting some value out of this today, then I wanna invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll catch my upcoming reviews. Okay, the bottom line is that there is something here for everyone, whether they're just getting started with high-end denim or they've been wearing it for a while. The Brave Stars are great for people just dipping their toes into raw selvage denim and they want to keep the cost of their first pair low. The Gustins for people who want to step it up in quality and appreciate a company with strong convictions. The Katos are for those who want raw selvage denim with a little stretch. And the Wies Made for those who appreciate soft, comfortable denim that's meticulously handcrafted. If you want to see my review of the denim that the popular brand Flint & Tinder has to offer, then check out this video here. I want to thank Wies Made, Kato, and Gustin for sending me these jeans for review. My opinions are my own, and I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.